Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh God. Hi there, extras.
I'm Josh.
I'm Jason.
And this is Judge Extra.
So we are
Sorry.
in public. We're in public, babe. Remind
Not
yourself.
Publix, public.
No, not Publix. We're on the train station. We're waiting for a train into London town.
Yeah,
So
in
we're
the tune.
going into the
Go
tune.
to the tune.
Because we are going to see the Winter Lights Trail at Canary Wharf. So there's 26 light art installations there, and we're going to go and check them out. But we are not on our own, are we?
No.
No. Now, this has been a long-awaited return to the channel, and many of you have told me that I should be nicer to this person. So,
He's not going to
it
be.
is. I am. I'm going to be very nice. So, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It is the ever-youthful legend that is Sharon Shoes.
Sharon of the shoes.
Shit, mate. Christ. That was not a good angle.
Sorry, don't.
Yes, so Sharon is here. So we're just waiting for our train, and then we're off into London.
Yes. And it's all moist and wet and moist and moist. She knows what I'm talking about.
I'm stuck with these two all night.
She understands what I'm saying.
God.
So we've made it.
We are at Canary Wharf. We are in Canada Square for the start of the light trail. There's 26 installations here for us to go and check out.
There is a tree full of bras.
There is a tree full of bras.
Jiva.
So yeah, we're going to have a wander around and check them out. We could be sometime because Sharon's got the map.
I have one in my bum.
You have one in your bum.
I have one in my bum now.
Anyway, let's head off around. Ooh, aeroplane. Let's head off around and see what we can find. So we're going inside one. This is the Seeds of Life. It's funky, isn't it? Funky indeed. Is Sharon not joining us? Are you not joining us?
Joining us.
So we're now walking over to some light up trees, and Sharon's very excited. So excited that she keeps walking off ahead of us, which never happens. She never walks this fast.
I don't know where I'm going.
That always happens.
Normally behind.
Aeroplane! Here it is! Can we go and get on one?
Yes. Let's see your pretty face. Hi, how are you? What are you thinking of the lights then, babe?
They're pretty.
I think we've lost Sharon. Sharon's like
she's far too excited for the
far
trees,
down in the
yeah.
distance there. But like, how pretty does this look? Look. Hi London, how are you? Nice to see you. To see you, nice.
That one over there, we need to go to that one over there. You can walk through it.
It looks like the Ring of Fire, babe.
I fell into a burning ring of fire.
Sure.
Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it
Anyway.
burns,
Oh,
burns,
God.
burns. That
No.
ring of fire.
No.
That ring of fire.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
So I think we're all in agreement so far that this is our favourite.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is our favourite so far. But now we're going to go and head over and try and find the burning ring of fire.
Oh, I think you meant food.
Not just yet, baby. We'll get you something to eat in a bit. Yeah?
Spongy.
It is spongy, yes.
Spongy.
Spongy. But no, we'll get you something to eat in a bit, don't worry.
Thanks.
Alright, now let's go and chuck Sharon in the burning ring of fire. Here we are, walking into the burning ring of fire.
The burning ring of fire.
The burning ring of fire. Whoa. It's very red, but then I guess you'd expect that from a burning ring of fire.
That kind of hurts my eyes.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Why don't we rewrite the stars?
Sing away. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you.
Just give me
Go with you. Is it impossible?
It's not impossible. It's
Possible. Where's the shoes of Sharon?
I don't know. She probably ran away from my beautiful singing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thanks.
What you were meant to find is not up to you, not up to me. There's a big lady there. Sharon! Sharon! Ride the stars.
So we've got 3 more to see, but we're hungry
And thirsty.
and thirsty. So we've just found a lay-on, and they had 2 fish finger wraps left. You meant to take the foil off first, baby.
Okay.
Honestly. So we're going to shove these in our face, and now we're going to go and find the last 3 lights.
Yay.
Yay!
But I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
It's not fish fingers.
That's nice. Oh, it's got tartar sauce in it.
Love tartar.
Oh. Right, let's munch this on the way round. We've only got 45 minutes to find the last 3.
I thought they shut at 9.
10.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Sharon.
You're such nice guys.
So this is Sky on Earth, and we're about to walk through a thunderstorm.
Oh, God.
Oh my God. Sharon, watch out for lightning. Don't get struck. It's like thunder, lightning. This art installation is frightening. You better knock, knock, knock on wood, baby. So Sharon has found the giant light up anal beads.
They're not.
I mean, they kind of are, aren't they?
Hey?
Light up anal beads.
I mean, yeah, that's gonna hurt.
Supposed to be
I mean, yeah, they're quite large.
kebabs.
Unless you've got a...
Kebabs?
That's what he said. I'm sure.
That's no kebab. That's a butt pleasurer.
No, it's not. Tell you
It
what it's
is.
supposed to be called.
Don't
It's
give
supposed to be
anyone
called
Okay.
a shish kaboy.
Yeah,
Shish kaboy.
yeah. A shish boy, that hurts.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it? Did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
So that's the Canary Wharf Winter Light Trail done.
It's done. We completed all 26 lights.
Yeah, that was fun and completely free as well. You don't get much for free in this city. So
Not
we really
this
enjoyed
area
that,
anyway.
didn't we?
Yeah, it was really
Sharon, what did you think?
I really enjoyed it. It was really good. Got
Good.
some pretty lights.
Indeed, lots of pretty lights.
I can
indeed.
understand she struggled to get through the door a second ago.
She did. It said pull, she was pulling and nothing was happening. She's just too weak.
She's going like this.
Story of my life.
Yeah, alright, One Direction, calm down.
Story of my life.
But yeah, so we're just waiting for the DLR to head back home, and when we get home we need a coffee.
I need to sleep.
I'll have a coffee, you sleep.
I'm peckish.
Oh god.